Adjusting tax withholding is a straightforward process that can be done when significant life changes affect your income. The amount withheld from your paycheck is the portion of your income that the IRS sets aside as an employee. To adjust your tax withholding, start by estimating your current tax withholding or use an available tax withholding estimator to calculate it. Determine your desired take-home pay and new withholding amount, choosing to either increase or decrease your tax withholding. The next step is to fill out and submit Form W-4, which requires providing personal details such as name, address, and filing status. You must also report all income sources for both yourself and your partner. Claim any dependents and tax credits, and claim necessary deductions and withholdings if applicable. After completing the form, sign and date it, then submit it to your employer. This simple process allows you to adjust your tax withholding to suit your changing circumstances.